Hello guys, welcome. So today we'll be building an advanced shipment website. This shipment website has an advanced tracking page. It also works on live map, and also it sends out mails when you create trackers and when you update the tracker. So let's go into how we are going to be building this shipment website in a few minutes. The very first thing you need when you are creating a website, when you want it to go live on the web, is your cPanel, your web, your domain, and your hosting put together. So if you don't know how to get your cPanel, you can go under the description of this video. There's a link there on how to purchase domain and hosting for you to be able to get your sites on live on the so you to be able to get your sites live on the internet. Now the very first step we are going to be taking is we are going to be going to our file manager. We are going to be uploading this file. We are going to be uploading. I'm going to be letting you know how you get it at the end of this video. So just follow these steps and you'll be able to create your own tracking website. Now when you get into your cPanel, you go to your file manager. As you can see here, we've done it here. So if you are getting your own cPanel for just this particular website, all you have to do is to go into your public HTML. Now I'm saying this for beginners that don't really understand these things. If you are buying it for the first time and for the purpose of that site, you just have to go into your public HTML. But right here on my own public HTML, I've created folders inside of it. So your own first step is to click upload here on your public HTML. As you can see, it is inside your public HTML right now, in your public HTML, sorry. So but for me, I've created folders, so I'm going to be using this second folder. So we'll click inside and I'll click upload. So we're going to be uploading our file. So you follow these steps just as I do. So you follow these steps just as I do here, and you'll be able to get it right. So go to extract. So the more you update this, the more you update the shipments, the more this continues to count 1, 2, 3 down until it is delivered. Now, this is how the tracking page works, as you can see. Yeah. So there's see the comment here. The comment is here also. Currently in transit, make payment. When they print the receipt, the full details comes out. So let's click on print receipts. Let's see what we have. Yeah. Okay. All right. Very good. So this is what we have. Yeah. So you can see the charge there, the total charge. You can see everything there. As you can see it here, the charge and total charge. So if you want to have access to this particular script, you can send me a direct text on my WhatsApp. You can send me a direct text on my WhatsApp number that will be written on the description of this video, not in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.